Now this is how we can check the MacBook battery health. Let's get started. So at first you need to open up the settings, or what's been called system preferences back in the day. So just open up the settings icon on your Mac, and then from the options you can look up the battery section. And once you get to the battery, you can find some information like the visual representation of your battery usage and the current charge and low power mode and a bunch of different things. But one of them is the battery health, and you can already see right away that it's going to tell you how good it is. So for me it says normal, so that's okay, I guess. But for more information, you can click on the little eye icon right next to it. So when you tap on this, you can see that another window pops up. And in there, not only you can see that, it's good or normal or whatever, but the exact percentage of the full capacity still available. So you can see how much battery is still there, and it's very useful. It's like the same battery health that you can find on your phone. So that's how you can just check it out natively, and it just works well. Outside of that, you can get a third-party application like the Coconut Battery, which is an app, a third-party one, which is designed to just keep track of your battery's data and be accessible from the status bar. So it's very useful, right? I'm not saying it's the only option or only app you can get, but it just works, so why not get this one? So yeah, using this, you can also just check out some other information, but that's it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss future tutorials about Mac, but also about iPads, Androids, Apple Watch, whatever is used by people. I want to help them with it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.